Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the Nigerian Tax Reform Act, which was signed into law by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on June 26, 2025. Let's get started. Imagine Nigeria is like a huge school where everyone pays school fees. So the school can provide books, a sick bay, carry out repairs, provide water and electricity, etc. Now, the way the school collected fees was messy as it had overlapping and confusing rules. These significant lapses allowed people to avoid paying fees. This is why the new Nigerian Tax Reform Act was created, to try to make laws on taxation fairer, simpler, and better. What are these tax reform acts, you may ask? Let me first explain what taxes are. Taxes are money that people and businesses must pay the government so it can provide amenities like roads, schools, hospitals, and security. The Tax Reform Acts are Nigerian Tax Act, Nigerian Tax Administration Act, Nigerian Revenue Service, and Joint Revenue Board. So, the Tax Reform Acts are like cleaning up and rewriting all the tax rules so they are easier to understand and fairer. I will be highlighting the biggest changes you should know, so listen up. 1. If your business makes 100 million naira or less yearly, you don't pay heavy corporate taxes. Earlier, it was 25 million. This is to help small businesses breathe. Remember the popular phrase, let the poor breathe. Don't suffocate them. 2. If you sell land, shares, or other assets and make a profit, that gain will be taxed and companies may pay more than before. 3. Big companies will pay development levy. This is 4% of their profits as a single fee. It replaces old scattered levies. Small businesses are exempted. 4. Large companies must pay at least 15% effective tax even if they try to reduce it with tricks. 5. If you earn 800,000 as your personal income or less in a year, you would pay no tax. If you earn more, you would be paying tax. 6. VAT is still 7.5%, but more essential goods like food, medicine, and education items are exempted. Plus, businesses can now reclaim VAT more easily. 7. Federal Inland Revenue Service is now Nigerian Revenue Service, and it establishes a tax ombuds to help people settle disputes. Oil and mining petroleum, which is number 8, are now special sectors that face new rules, including a 5% fossil fuel surcharge and updated free zone rules. The good side of this act: small businesses get to breathe, government revenue improves, rules become fairer, and Nigeria aligns with global standards. The disadvantages of this act: businesses must adjust. Some people may pay more, and coordination between governments could be tricky since the federal, state, and local governments have to share these taxes. Now, to the question on everyone's mind: will these new changes help Nigerians? That is a question for you to answer. All I can say is that while laws are easy to pen down, can they be effectively practiced? Well, time will tell, as the laws will take full effect from 1st January 2026. And that's it. Nigeria's 2025 Tax Reform Acts made simple. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy law-made topics. Feel free to let me know the next topic you would want me to talk about in my next video in the comment section. Thank you.